11?
11.
Yes, tugnaw ang Ras Al Khaimah, guys.
11 degrees Celsius.
Ready? Uy, Daddy! This is Ras Al Khaimah.
13 na. Init today.
Mabali siyang shortcut? Ay ka na shortcut sa Damagdagan.
Dito sa island. Tama abot din.
Nakapit ba ka sa island o nakatulog ka?
Ako? Okay. 2001 di ako nasa. 2002.
Yung mga runners ng half marathon. Look at that. Ang dagan kayo siya, Bads.
Mura.
Dagan sila. Ready ng taga Dubai, oh. Ready na mag-fashion show. Ready ng taga Dubai. We're here in Ras Al Khaimah now. This is the car park. Oh, this is nice. Ang lamig! It's 12. It's 11 degrees. That's the island. Murjan Island. There. Very nice. Nice view. So cold. Oh my God, it's so cold in here.
No, ba?
Are you okay?
Ano?
It's so cold in here. This is the Marjan Island. Woohoo! Yeah. Ang lamig, sobra, 11 degrees. So cold. Tugnaw. Woohoo! Ang layo, kukunan namin ng bed. But, para rin tayo nag-walk ng 10. Layo ng parking. But it's okay. Woo! This is going to be fun. Yan, Ras Al Khaimah. Half marathon. Yeah. Huh? Where? Here's the 5K start. I think we need to go that side, bud. And then we need to collect our bib or shirts. I don't know where. We'll ask the guy. Yan. Nakaikot na kami. Naka 4K na, buds, no?
Ha?
Naka 4K.
Oo.
Go Cup! Nice cup, no? Nice. Kanya gid mga ano ba? Mga winner. Ayan, ang galing yan, no? Nilalagay nila yung kung anong oras ka natapos. Ayan. Personalized. Very nice. But I don't need it. Okay, let's queue. Let's queue to get the banana and juice. Wow. Ang daming freebies. Kung gusto mo ng mga freebies, guys, kailangan mong tumakbo sa marathon. Ano? May free apple, banana, vitamin well, to bear bells. Yan. Ang dami niyang previous kasi sa Dubai, but no? Naka-previous kasi sa Dubai. Dubai is fruits lang.
Sabi.
Is this their first race? No, right?
No, 18.
So kiss me.
Pwede mo ka mag-stay. Opo, nice. Bye.
Margin, whatever.
We're going back. Where we park our car. Right, Kapgen. Asa po to ba? After sa playground, no?
After
Ah, most. Ah, so.